Hey guys, it's Megan Luna. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do one of my all-time favorite hairstyles, the pull-through side braid. You'll see it at the end. It's one of my favorite hairstyles because it looks really complicated, but once you practice it a lot, it's really easy to master. And another thing I love is that it looks really impressive. And the reason I say this is because I wore this hairstyle to a wedding where I knew absolutely nobody. This hairstyle was a conversation starter, not only for the women, but for the men. Men were really impressed by this hairstyle. And normally men don't pay attention to girls' hair at all. So to have them come up and being like, "How'd you do that to your hair?" was a good sign. So today I'm going to show you how to get this hairstyle that is a conversation starter, looks super complicated, but once you get it down, it is really easy and quick to do. Let's get on into the video. I'm going to start off this hairstyle by parting my hair on this side and pulling all of my hair onto one side of my head. Then I'm going to take strand at the very top of my head and tie it with a clear elastic. Then using a hair clip, I'm going to take my little ponytail and clip my hair out of the way. And I'm going to grab a new section of hair and tie it off with a clear hair elastic. And then I'm going to unclip my first ponytail and split that into two sections around the second ponytail. And then I am going to take the second ponytail and clip that off to the side, grab a new section of hair with my first ponytail, and then take a clear hair elastic and tie it all together. And then I'm going to unclip that ponytail, split it into two sections around the bottom ponytail, clip the bottom ponytail off to the side, grab a new section of hair with the old, and tie it off with a clear elastic. And at this point, I am going to start pulling apart the pieces of hair. I'm going to unclip the top ponytail so I can pull apart the first section of hair as well. And then I'm going to take the top ponytail, split it into two sections, and pin the bottom ponytail off to the side. Grab a new section of hair with the old and tie it off with a clear elastic. And I'm going through and pulling it apart as I go. So I'm going to unclip that ponytail, split it into two sections around the bottom ponytail, and again clip that bottom ponytail off to the side. Grab a new section of hair with the old and tie it with a clear elastic. And again, I am pulling apart as I go. And unclip that ponytail, split it into two sections, clip the bottom ponytail off to the side. I'm gonna grab the rest of my hair at this point and tie it into place. And pull it apart. I'm going to unclip that ponytail, split it into two sections. At this point, I'm just putting the hair off to the side and out of the way. Tie with a clear elastic and pull apart. And then take the top ponytail, split it into two sections, put the bottom ponytail off to the side, tie with a clear elastic, and pull apart. And this is the last pull through braid that I'm doing. I'm splitting it into two sections, around the bottom ponytail, tying it off and pulling it apart. And for the ends of my hair, I'm just going to tie it off with a clear elastic and pull it apart a little bit. So this is the finished look of a pull-through side braid. So that is how I get this hairstyle. I hope it didn't seem too tricky. And again, it's really easy to do once you practice and get it down. Thank you for watching today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you, bye.